First time, they don't respect the fans at all. After the game, do something. Come to the fans. Do something. Do some. Show some remorse. Let the fans know that you've done your best, but your best wasn't enough. But you just go to the dressing room. Are you mad? Players, are you mad? What is this?
I saw that Elamati coming to the team.
He's the only one who came because there's an issue. People are calling him that he has removed all this thing on social media. So you must do something. What is the rest of the players? What kind of message is this? The message must stop. We need to call for the World Cup. Other than that, the players should be jailed. We need to go to the World Cup. Canada, US, Mexico. If they don't know and they don't allow us to qualify to go to the World Cup, what will happen in Ghana? They won't be happy. We are going to chase them at GFA or whatever, wherever they are. We chase them and do whatever we want to do. What is this?
Do you think the technical team isn't helping?
The technical team is bankrupt. They are liability. They are liability. They should move away from that place so that we can play matches without a coach. It's a liability. Chris Newton.
Do you think you disappointed the people who supported the team?
7,000 billion%. If there's more percentage, I will even increase it. What is this? The others are debating that we've qualified. Lo and behold, you allowed these Mozambicans to equalize these 2 goals. What is this?
Yes, of course, I look very disappointed, and I'm also angry with some of the fans who are saying our problem is the coach or the coaches that we have. I don't think that is the problem. Look, from 2000, go and count the number of coaches that Ghana as a country, Ghana Blasters, we've given to the Ghana Blasters. Or some do those that I do remember, or some do. I took a few. Eman, Rab Zumdik, Bukaziz, Sam Ade, Ratme Bukovic, Claude Leroy, Eloy, Salastete, Avan Grant, Otto Ado, Akwesi Pia, at the point to be CK Akolo. I think that there's something wrong with Ghana Football Association. Ghana Football Association, as a matter that controls football in Ghana, there's something wrong with our football association. Look, our local league is dead. Division 1 is dead. Division 2 is dead. After court, I don't even want to go there. How many of our local players are playing the Blasters? How many? Even our best player, who plays for one of the best clubs in Africa, not Ghana, one of the best clubs in Africa, as a Toko, Richmond Lamptey, the person of Richmond Lamptey, who has been giving intelligent, decisive, and incisive passes, who has been scoring goals. Richmond Lamptey, they didn't even give Richmond Lamptey just a minute. It means that you don't even respect your local league. They should go and check the team that are performing. How many of the players are playing in Africa? How many of the players are playing in their local league? It is so sad. It is so sad. Hey, 2021, when we went to Gabon or Cameroon, we couldn't qualify out of the group stages. Morocco beat us. We drew with Gabon. Comoros beat us. Today, we are here. We are in a group with Quebec, Egypt, and Mozambique. We couldn't qualify out of the group stages. May God save Ghana football.
Me, I can say that our problem is a defense because the 3 matches we play, seconds, 2 minutes, 1 minute, then they score us. I don't know the coaching. Us as a coaching, if you make mistake, when you go home and sleep, you have to think well and come back and correct your mistake. I don't think this coach is thinking to correct the mistake. Look at all those things. 2 minutes, they score us. And the injury time is 3 minutes, they score us. God has given us, so we lost it. So I mean, what I will say that the player, they don't do anything. It's a coach. How can you remove the defender and bring the striker inside? When the time is up already, it's 3 minutes to close. Why should you change the defender and bring the striker inside? Why can't you defend your goal? So I think this coach is not a good coach. If I have to sack him, that's all.
I'm very disappointed. Even now, I don't even know whether I should go back to Ghana or I should even remain here. Because back home, they'll be laughing at me. Because when you see at the stadium, the atmosphere, how we are celebrating the 2 goals, I'm very sad. It's sad as a football. I'm not happy.
Well, I'm very disappointed. The players didn't help us at all. Because having 2 goals and then you went to sleep and then allowing the Mozambique to equalize the 2 goals. I think it is very bad. It is very bad. The players didn't do well at all. You have 2 goals. So yours is to defend that 2 goals. At least if you are not going to score additional goal, maintain that 2. Or try your best to win the game. So I think the effort of the players, too poor, too bad. Oh, we did ours. Off the pitch, we were winners because we saw we came in time, and then even before when Côte d'Ivoire was playing, we were around, so we started in time. We did all that we could as a supporters, but the players failed us.
Technically, did we lose the match on the bench?
Yes, I think so. We lost the game from the bench, but the players themselves, those who came in, didn't help at all.
What next for the Blacks? What do you think should be done? Because since we witnessed same in Cameroon and in Côte d'Ivoire too.
Now, if you can dissolve the team and then start afresh, it will help us because we think we have players. But for me, I think with this character, with this set of mind, it will not help us.
You think they are not that patriotic? They are not playing for the colours?
I think so. Because if you are patriotic, even if we support us, you give us 2-0 and you tell us to defend, everything that we do to defend that 2-0, we'll do it.
I saw the bench in Nduka. Sack all of them. Take that bench in us. You team manager, keepers trainer, keepers running. Do the most. I saw the Subuka. So we was want to do the call. Do the Mankoa. Subata Rum. Yes. Well, Suba, you Suba me kwa now. You Suba me kwa na you na gym. Ba do the Mankoa. Nde ana so football Ghana. Ana so football Ghana ya kyau. Na ransa da Allah da Annabi. Kowa bar choose mu da players. Ghana kira da players ake yi. Alaba kana correct. Players zai kamata kira su ba kira su. Da yawa na outside su ma kuma otu. Players ma su kyau na outside. Ba da jin sunan su. Su John Boy har su na buga ball. Jonathan Mensah John Boy ka ce mu kamar Harry Gobe. Defensive blaster da su ka Jonathan Mensah da John Boy. Oh apa. Ow. Like Ghana Kenya.
90 minutes 2 goals. Sumbata
That's Katani. Yeah, no be talk about kamar yau ba. Isamu yanzu ga na kai Ghana min da. About one disgrace. Coach, can I 2 days? So that's 6 minutes attached. When you change this Barakai. We reckon about 2 minutes. I fuck.
Waste time.
Right now about because of game nankan da yaje nan coach nan bai tanye mu ba sam changes in da yin nan bai ce wannan changes ba kana da kudus yana rika ball ba ya karbi ball ina cause foul ina samu muna faru isa ina delay muna time ya kamata ka bar shi cikin yaso delay maka time nan 6 minutes ka bara Mozambique ke zo doki farke goals sun ga duka ai bai yi ba lamte na nan in ka change shi ma ka bar lamte zo sai ya saka nan in ba wannan kuma ba ka bar Jonathan so wai zo ba defenders sun nan pressure shi yana da speed yana da karfi kuma ba su yi yashi ka bar yazo kuma ya yi cin go ina bani mamaki kaman local players nan ban san abin da yasa bai so su buga ball nan wani ban san abin da yasa bai so su buga wani coach nan dai ya kamata a kore shi coach nan bai ci mu delay time kura ya ci mu cire shi ko da mun samu local coach ma ya fi su a samu ajan da su appear da su wadangana nan mun encourage su yi coaching course in sun yi kuma ne mu ba su team nan sun taba bugawa tun da sun taba bugawa sun can kan da za su yi team nan je gaba kuma ya ci stadium nan kuma a duba stadium ga yi muna wani Ghana muna rokan manyan Ghana su yi kokari su zo su duba stadium sun ga wan Alasan Ouattara ga na plateau ya kamata su zo su duba da idon su haka su je su yi muna wani Ghana.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.